you automatically place things and they're square. When you're a DIY, always sort of check. But you see, that distance is you know, like this is pretty square. So you can't go far wrong. It's hard to explain. But the more tiling you do, you're squarer and plumb and flat more than a DIY. A DIY should check sort of fairly regularly. And it doesn't hurt. Always sort of, if there's a little bit of glue, just wipe it off with your finger. Wipe it up there, or on your shirt, or on your shorts, you know, like, it don't matter. Don't panic. Don't panic, Mr. Mannering. I'll cut that with my grinder. It's a little bit too small to cut on my Sigma. Polyurethane. Why do I always bloody forget that when I'm filming? Polyurethane or silicone, it doesn't matter what you use, people. If you know what I mean. Nice, noise. And that goes in there like that. I'll pop it in. Does it want to stay there? Yeah, gone. Okay, I'll just shoot up there again, the same principle, and then I'll pop my head in. It will be coming down past that window, but that is a non-moving window, and I'll check the head in so it touches that aluminium. Oh, goodly doodly. Or unless I just take it across. I'll have a think about it. All right, we'll see you, and I'll be back to show you these niches. See you soon.